Let's go looking for some deals at Home Depot. Well, let's get you started off with some clearance deals over in the clearance rack. That is the Ridgid brushless mid-torque hammer drill with 4 amp hour tabless battery for $85. The DeWalt brushless angle grinder for $130. The Dremel oscillating multi-tool, the blueprint version, $69. And that's the Tough System 2.0 work light, $197. The best deal out of these right here is that Ridgid drill, because that battery is a retail value of $140. Great deal. We got the Makita LXT shears for $75. You got the Makita hedge trimmers for $99, and then the 40-volt XGT chainsaw for $249. That saves you $380. This is a really good deal from Ryobi. I have these in both of my pro shops, and they come in real handy when I want to listen into music or my favorite YouTubers. $50. That is the Makita XGT string trimmer, and I believe it has a battery combo kit for $199. That's saving you almost $300. That is the Milwaukee Fuel 17-inch string trimmer, tool only for $179. The DeWalt 799 drill driver battery kit for $170. The Ridgid 4 amp hour battery and charger kit for $149. And the DeWalt XR 20 volt plunge router for $369. We got the DeWalt horrible, I may say, pruning shears for $97. You got another XGT 16-inch chainsaw for $249, saving you like $400. You got the Milwaukee attachment blower for your string trimmer, $80. And then you got the 12 amp hour battery charger kit. That's the Forge battery, the 12 amp hour Forge battery for $269. That's a great deal right there. 6 amp hour flex volt battery for $179, down from $199, saving you only $20. That's not really a good deal. There's a better deal on flex volt batteries down the road. A nice little bin to store in your pack out toolbox or on your wall with your pack out system. $23, saves you like $2 or $3. It's on clearance, I figured I'd show it. If you're a fan of Diablo's rebar demon bits for your hammer drills and your rotary hammers, they're all 30 to 60 some odd % off right now. Get them while they still got them. The Ryobi Speed Bench Mobile Workstation, originally $219, down to $179. That may not be that bad. I've actually thought about kicking the bucket on that. If anybody knows, let me know how that is. I thought this was interesting. The 2 9/16 switchblade from Milwaukee, self-feeder, down to $45, saving you around $20. And then the 1 3/8 self-feeding bit is down to $32. The big, long, bottom rolling toolbox for pack out, $199, down from $239, I believe, saving you around $40. The extra large pack out toolbox, $99, down from $129, saving you around $30. Not bad if you're looking to expand your pack out line. The 3-drawer pack out toolbox, down to $159, saving you right around $30. I have these in my workshop, and I really, really do enjoy the Milwaukee pack outs. Really good system, guys. All right, now we're on to Ryobi deals, and we're looking at the 30th anniversary tools. The little vacuum for $49 and the compact drill driver for $99 comes with a 4 amp hour high output battery and limited edition charger. I got that. I'm just going to be plain and honest with you guys. You guys all know the center cap deals with all these Ryobi tools. I'm going to tell you right now, 90% of them are junk. And I really don't even want to waste my time telling you the prices. You can see them there. It's got the horrible glue gun there. Don't buy that. I don't care it's only $34. The glue gun's horrible. The speaker's horrible. It crackles. It's garbage. And that caulk gun is absolutely horrible. I've used them all. Don't buy them. This is interesting. You get the free Ryobi USB battery with the purchase of any one of these tools down here. There's various tools. You get that free battery with purchase. Some of them tools are okay, like that flashlight's okay. I use it a lot. The fan is nice. The 4-2 combo kit, circ saw, drill, impact driver, and light with 4 and 1.5 amp hour battery and charger, $189. The 18 gauge brad nailer, $179. The 16 gauge straight finish nailer, $199. 2-pack of 4 amp hour high performance batteries, $169. And the Ryobi wet dry 3-gallon vacuum, $109. Yeah, I'm going to be honest. The only deal worth buying here if you're a Ryobi guy is that 2 battery high output batteries there. We got 4 amp hour high performance starter kit, $99. The cutoff tool, $99. The 4-mode impact wrench, $99. The 6.5 circ saw, $99. And the saber saw, $99. I would say the best value there is that 4-mode impact wrench. And they're really trying to get rid of the 4.0 high performance batteries, aren't they? They must be overstocked with them. I'm sorry, all these tools are trash, like garbage. You got the oscillating multi-tool, $49. The god-awful sander, $39. The crown stapler, $69. The compact router that isn't so compact, $79. The god-awful router bit set, $25. And the god-awful oscillating multi-tool blades, $20. Stay away from these. I don't care how cheap they are. We got the recip saw, $49. The angle grinder, $49. The god-awful jigsaw, $49. Bunch of wire brushes, attachments, $20. And the stud finder at $35. Once again, guys, these are all junk. Don't buy them. They're just not worth the freaking money. They just break. They're not good, guys. All right, now we're on to Milwaukee deals. If you buy that 5 amp hour battery charger kit for $199, you get any one of those tools you see for free. The 6.5 inch circ saw, the angle grinder, oscillate multi-tool, the hacksaw, or the vacuum. Those are all non-fuel tools. Brushless, but non-fuel. We got various lights up top there for $179, $199, and $199. They're all lights. And you got another light there for $99. You got the little rover light for $89. You got the first aid kit for the pack out, $87. Then you got the bump cap for $40. I would like to get one of those, but my big ass head, it probably won't fit. Actually, I know it won't fit. Nothing fits because I'm huge. We got the 1000 lumen rover light for $99. The 700 lumen rover light for $89. A flashlight for $93. That ain't a goddamn deal. Who the hell buys a tiny little pocket flashlight for $93? That can't be right. And then another little rover light over there for $76. Those are horrible deals. All right, if you buy that 5-tool Milwaukee Fuel starter kit, or just kit, you get any one of them tools below there for free. That kit costs $800. It's got the hammer drill, the impact driver, a light, a circ saw, and a recip saw, 2 5 amp hour batteries and charger. You can get any one of those tools down there for free. Jigsaw, impact wrench, rotary hammer, or the speaker. I love me some Milwaukee hole saws. The hole dozers. This is a pretty good deal. That hole dozer kit there is $49. I got it. They're very nice. The new arbor, quick change arbor for them hole saws is in stock for $25. And torch recip saw blades for $22. Buy any 3 of these tools, save $200 instantly. Buy any 2 of these tools, save $100 instantly. And yes, that is the brand new M12 caulk gun. As you can see, you got the die grinder, the nibbler, the cable stapler, the surge impact driver, the barrel grip jigsaw, the subcompact drill and impact driver, the Bluetooth speaker, the cutoff tool, and the oscillating multi-tool. Buy any one of those tools up top, receive a free M12 5.0 XC high output battery. It looks like they got up there the installation driver with no batteries in it, the bandsaw, the extended reach ratchet, the impact stick, and I believe that's a nibbler there. And on the bottom, you got the 23 gauge pin nailer for $199, the 18 gauge brad nailer for $299, the 2-pack of 2.0 amp hour M12 batteries for $79. That's actually a pretty good deal. But this may be the best deal of them all. 2-pack of 5.0 XC high output M12 batteries for $199. Considering those were $99 during Christmas, that is a great deal. Here we go, more M12 deals. If you purchase any one of those tools or toolkits on the bottom, you receive another 5.0 high output battery for free. Looks like they got the rotary hammer, subcompact impact wrench, drill and impact driver kit, the M12 vacuum, double pack of batteries, circ saw, and all kinds of stuff there. So yep, buy any one of those on the bottom and you get a free high output battery. They must have a ton of these in stock. Now we got some M18 deals. If you buy any of the kits or tools seen below, you get a free 6.0 high output battery from Milwaukee. You got the drill and impact driver kit for $3.99, the circ saw for $2.29, the 5-inch random orbit sander for $2.29, the 6-gallon Nexus vacuum, the oscillate multi-tool for $2.49, the bandsaw for $3.49, and so on and so on. And just some more deals here. They got the rotary hammer for $3.79, the super sawzall for $2.99, the blower for $2.99, which really isn't a good deal. That's a horrible deal. 12 amp hour battery, and so on and so on. Let's get the DeWalt deals kicking off hot. That is the 3.5 amp hour power stack battery for $129, saving you $60. I was so tempted to get this, but I practiced self-control. DeWalt really didn't have much going on deals-wise, but as you can see, this is what they got going on. The 2-pack of 4.0 amp hour batteries, $129. That 3.5 amp hour power stack for $129. Two 6 amp hour flex volt batteries for $199. Remember I told you there was a better flex volt deal down the road? There it is. Various drill and impact driver combo kits. 7 1/4 Sidewinder circ saw, $249. The XR angle grinder, $249. The XR reciprocating saw, $249. The brushless jigsaw and oscillate multi-tool with 2 batteries, $299. And like I said, there's a bunch of combo kits up there. They got some really good deals you can save if you buy the combo kits. And we saved the best for last, right? Ridgid, baby! Orange Crush Mafia, where you at, gang? Alright, let's get into some Ridgid deals. I love me a Ridgid deal. You got the hoses for your compressors and your pneumatic tools, $49. You got an 18 gauge pneumatic brad nailer, $89. You got the 6-gallon pancake compressor for $119. You got the 4 amp hour max output battery with rapid charger, cooled fan on that charger, $149. You got the straight finish nailer, pneumatic, $169. You got the 18 gauge brad nailer, cordless, by the way, $189. You got the 16 gauge straight finish nailer, cordless, $199. The 21 degree framing pneumatic nailer for $229. The 5-tool brushless kit for $249. Don't buy it. Don't buy brush tools, garbage. And a really good sliding 12-inch compound dual bevel, all that good stuff, miter saw for $349. Well, that's all the deals I saw at Home Depot this trip. We really don't do deal videos all that much just because everybody else does them, but every once in a while we go out and do them. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff, and maybe we'll keep doing more deal videos down the road.